What makes the most sense? Now, in the case of linear regression, if I open up this demand plan, what I'm looking at here is we did a linear regression model. We looked at starting on October 1st. We're using months. And so what we're looking at is 4 months back and 4 months forward, right? But we're showing it here in a weekly view. I can change this to a monthly view if that makes it easier. And we can see here, okay, based on this demand, here's the quantity and here's the monthly calculated. You notice I've got nothing there. So let me move on and find another item here. Let's open up, let's say this iPad here. I'll open up a few of them. And now we can see we have some calculated demand here, right? So again, we're looking in this case, 5 months back, 5 months forward, and we're able to see the calculated demand on it. Based on this, this is now our demand plan. Now let's move forward and look at our supply plan. So now I'm looking at our supply plans that we've created, right? So we've got the iPad here, we've got the monitor here. Let me close out this other tab. Other components. I'm opening these up, not sure if they all have data, but I'll open them up. And you see here, okay, orders. We've got an order in place, receipt date, quantity of 12. But let's look into our planning side of things. And when we look at planning, you could see here, it's telling me on a daily basis, because this was created on a daily basis, what it anticipates. So here's my message code telling me quantity on hand is above safety stock. So we're good. We see that we're good. Right around 10:1, it told me we are going to need to place an order for one item. And you'll notice the system now, because I didn't place it on 10:1, had recalculated the date. Now, and this is just based on the time that I created this demo environment, right? So you have to just imagine that I'm a little bit late with some of these dates. But same thing here on 10/3 told me I've got to place a purchase order, and you keep looking at, I go to the next one with the monitor, same thing. It's telling me throughout when I should place my orders, and then creates the POs for me as well. So it creates the POs with the different dates that we can set ahead of time.